In this video, we'll show you what to do if the brightness slider is appearing grayed out on your HP laptop or if it's not working all of a sudden. So to fix this, first right click on the start icon and then select device manager from the list. In the device manager window, you'll first need to expand monitors. Now here you might see one or two entries depending on your laptop's configuration. Simply right click on the first entry and then select disable device. Now click on yes to confirm. After you have done that, right click on the entry again and then this time select enable device from here. If you see multiple entries, you will need to repeat this step for second entry as well. However, if this doesn't work, your next option is to expand display adapters. Now here you might see a different name depending on your laptop's GPU. Now right click on the entry and then select uninstall device. Now tick this particular checkbox and then click on uninstall again. Once you do, your laptop screen will go blank for a second. Don't worry about this. After the screen reappears, go to the action menu here and then select scan for hardware changes. Your PC will reinstall the uninstalled GPU driver and your issue should be resolved. However, if you still experience problems, right click on the start icon and then select terminal admin from the list. Now in the terminal admin window, you will need to enter this command, that is sfc /scan now, and then hit enter. Now simply wait for this command to run. After the process is complete, simply go ahead and restart your HP laptop one last time and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.